I got a surprise for you. Go sit in there, table. Here, dali, Abe. Paghulat ka mami, na ako'y surprise sa imo, ha? Stay there.
I will watch it.
You excited? Your eyes. Piyong mata, piyong.
Can I open my eyes?
Not yet. I need to get a plate.
I have one eye out.
Alright. Ako'y surprise sa imo, hadong ha. Paminaw. Paminaw. Yeah, surprise na ako.
Yes.
Anti-nerds. Ako, bilhan ng nerds na ako.
Good, yes.
Yeah, do you like nerds?
Yes.
I'm gonna open it.
Hey, what is it? It's for Abe.
It's for Abe.
It's for Abe. Here, the person will shoot.
Okay, Abe, ha? Paminaw.
We spelled it.
Okay.
Good job.
So, Abe, tagaan ta ka og kuan.
Gone.
Unsa mo gusto nga color?
Good color.
Unsa mo gusto na color?
This one.
What color do you like?
That one and that one and that
No,
one.
you can pick one color. For now, you pick one color. Wait. You pick a color. Which one do you like?
Blue.
There's no blue in here. Sorry.
Blue. Purple.
Purple. There's no purple, buddy. Green. This one or this one? Dali. Isa lang. Wait. So you want pink? Ganta kag one piece, Abe. Okay?
Yes.
You gotta wait. No, you don't need it. No, you gotta wait for mommy. I'll be back. If you wait for mommy, and when I'm back, I'll give you a bunch more. You give you a bunch. So you gotta wait. Don't eat it.
Yes.
Promise? Don't eat it. And don't eat it.
I gotta put the white here.
Put it right there. Are you gonna wait for a minute, Abe?
I gotta open it.
Don't eat it. I'll know it if you.
I gotta open the name
Okay.
of it.
Hey, can you wait for me?
Yes.
I'll be back. But
I gotta show something.
if you eat it before I come back, I won't give you anymore. So you gotta wait.
Yes.
If you wait for me, I give you a bunch. Okay? I'll be back.
I'm gonna
Don't eat it, Abe.
I'm gonna be back.
I'll be back. No, you sit in there and wait for me. I'll be back.
I get the candy. Oh, wait, look.
Stay there, Abe.
I'm waiting for you, Mommy. I'm waiting. Green and green. No green. Purple and green and blue. That's not blue. That's not blue. And Mommy, you coming?
Well, you didn't eat it yet. Okay, I'll be back. One more.
One
Hold
more.
on. Don't eat it yet. I'll be back.
Yes. Yes, so Open this. I not eat it.
Wow, you passed. Good job, buddy. You waited for me.
And I got kind of need
I can give you more now. Unsay mo sulti pag mangayo ka og kuan, pagkaon. What do you say? Unsay mo sulti?
Daiko.
Daiko.
Candy.
And you forgot something. Daiko candy. Pa.
Wait.
Just say it louder. Geico.
Geico.
Candy.
Candy.
Paliho.
Liho.
Okay, and saan mo gusto? Now he was gonna get a bunch because he waited for me. See, I told you if you're patient, you get more.
I get. Can I pull this? Can I
Yeah,
open?
you get a bunch of each
Can
one.
I?
We can eat all of it, but you can have. It won't open, it just opens on the top. There you go. That's already a bunch, okay? What do you say? Ano sa'yo masulti? What do you say? No, what do you say after I give you? No, after giving you, what do you say? Sa.
No, Ma.
Okay. Good job, buddy. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, buddy.
Let me have all it. I'm going to show you.
No, we gotta put it in the closet so you won't eat all of it. Good job. High five. Give me a high five.